Hello guys, my name is Niyonzaba Rafiki. I'm describing the difference between ROM and RAM. ROM and RAM, those are primary forms of computer. ROM means read-only memory, while RAM means random access memory. RAM is volatile memory, temporary memory, while ROM is longer-term permanent memory. RAM holds the current running program and its associated data, while ROM contains smaller program that is used for controlling the computer and ensure that the computer boots up. Thank you. Members share and